Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any of those purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 249. We start with this box. We're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here and a 3 here, so this is our 5. 5, oh, 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 1 here, 2 here, so this is our 7. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 8. That 4 means this is our 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.